In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox property in ClickUp. If you want a simple way to track yes or no progress inside your task list, adding a checkbox field is a great option. It works well for things like approval status, review completion, payment tracking, or any workflow where an item only needs to be checked on or off. To get started, go to your home workspace in ClickUp and open the specific list where you want to add the checkbox property. Make sure you're in the list view where your tasks are displayed in a table format, because that's where you'll be adding the new column. Once you're inside the correct list, look across the top of your task table where the column headers appear. You'll want to scroll all the way to the far right side of those headers. In many cases, the option you need is placed at the end, so if you don't see it immediately, just keep scrolling horizontally until you reach the last column. At the far right of the column headers, click the plus icon. This is the control ClickUp uses to add a new field or property to your list. When you click it, a field selector pop-up will appear. In that pop-up, use the search area to look for checkbox, then select it from the list of available field types. This tells ClickUp that you want to create a field that can be toggled on or off for each task. Next, type a name for your new field. Choose a name that clearly matches the purpose of the checkbox, so it's easy for you and your team to understand at a glance. For example, you might use a label like approved, reviewed, or paid. A clear name makes the list more organized and helps avoid confusion later. After naming the field, click Create. As soon as you do that, the new checkbox column will immediately appear in your list layout. From there, you can start using it right away by checking or unchecking the box for each task as needed. This is a quick but very useful customization, especially if you want to standardize simple status tracking without creating a more complicated field type. Checkbox properties are ideal when the answer is just a straightforward yes or no. And that's it. You've successfully added a checkbox property in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.